Hi, family.
Thanks for watching.
So we are back at it with the vanilla bean chamomile.
I'm excited because I technically haven't had a chance to try it.
Yeah, the last time Annie wasn't feeling so well, had a stuffed up nose, and couldn't taste anything. So I was the only one that was lucky enough to get to try it. And I thought it was pretty darn good. So I'm looking forward to this test.
Yeah, same here.
We're going to do another gravity reading just to see if it did ferment away, I guess.
Change. It's
Change it
gravity.
all. Then we're just going to do the taste test, and then we're just going to bottle.
Yeah, because we added 6 ounces, half a pound of honey during.
So we added 8 ounces. 8 ounces would be half pound, right?
Oh no, 6 ounces. How much is 6 ounces?
6 ounces.
It's like practically midnight here.
Yeah.
It's been a long day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we added honey basically during the when we racked it during its second conditioning phase.
It's clarified really nice. Not a whole lot of sediment on the bottom, so it shouldn't be too much waste from this to the bottle. All right, we'll get to it.
Also, our setup's a little different this year, or this time, because we've got things in the background. So you get to see more of our sanitation area and how we set ourselves up.
Wow. So this went fully dry again, I think. It went very dry again. I want to say that's actually 0.998. I don't know how it goes below 1, but I mean, you see that too,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Okay.
no, it's definitely below 1. So it is super dry.
We got less than water in there.
Really? That's all you're giving me?
Well, to try. I'd rather put it in the bottle than in your stomach right now. So I would say some mild footiness. You can smell the vanilla. Still sweet on the tongue, not super sweet.
Feels like a seltzer of sorts. But it's very, very mild tasting seltzer. It's a lot lighter than what we've had in the past, or what we've made in the past.
But it definitely like holds true to the whole, like it tastes spiced. Like a spiced mead. Like it definitely has like a spice to it.
The way you were talking about it last time when we tried it, I thought it was going to be like way more mature, I think, than it actually is. But I think I had like my like hype was.
Put the bar too high for you? I still think this is probably the best mead we've made so far.
Yeah, it's definitely, for the age that it is, by far the best tasting.
Maybe a little bit bummed that I think we probably should have put some more sugar in there, but the more I keep watching people that do the second phase like sweetening, they always stabilize it. So we have to probably doing like a test of the stabilizer and see how that works for us, because we like the sweeter meads.
It is wise though, we have found, to err on the side of dryness, because adding sweetness is pretty simple
Pretty
and
darn
easy
easy.
to do.
Easy but inconvenient. I don't want to sit there with a spoon, like some honey, and like stir it in while everyone else is drinking. I want to have it just poured in and lazy
Oh my
from
God.
that aspect.
Oh my
When I'm
God.
drinking, I'm drinking. Pretty successful.
Yeah, for our first time working with a champagne yeast, I'm wondering if that's why it matured
So fast.
a lot quicker.
We'll find out on the next test when we get to try that all out.
Yeah, when we do our 7 yeast test, which will come out next month, that will really like give us an indication of like what yeasts
What
do.
direction we want to go with the yeasts.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start bottling it into some smaller bottles this time so we can share it with friends and family, and yeah. So I'm gonna bring over just multiple bottles and sound good?
Yeah.
All right. Breaking Bad. Here we are. Chemistry set midnight.
Right? To be
The
fair,
alternate series.
the Meadery series, Breaking Bad.
All right. So there we have it.
Yeah, so we have
8 bottles of mead on the
seven-
table.
Yeah, 750 milliliter bottles.
I thought the 750s were bigger.
Anyways, we'll probably do like either a 6 month or a year. We haven't quite decided which, but overall, I would say that we're pretty happy with the progress of it.
I'm very happy with it. Maybe.
Hopefully we weren't super boring because we're too tired to think.
Yeah.
But yeah, Please like and subscribe.
Bye.